Hi everyone, this is Anita Mandiratta. In this video, we'll see how to sort different columns. So here we have 4 columns: product ID, first name and last name of the salesman, and the sales they have achieved. So let me highlight any row to see how Excel maintains consistency while sorting different columns. Because sorting is very popular, Excel gives us 3 ways to do it. So let us see all the 3 ways one by one. I want to sort product ID first of all. Selecting any cell on this column and right click gives me different option and I can locate sort here. I can pick A to Z or Z to A. So I'll go with A to Z and then product ID is sorted. And we can see that it has maintained consistency. I want to sort sales column. Selecting any cell in this column, I can go to Home tab. Under Home tab, here I can see sort and filter. So clicking here will give me some options, smallest to largest or largest to smallest. So I want to see the highest sales, so I'll select largest to smallest and then the sales column is sorted. Now there is third way of doing it. We can go for data tab. Under data tab, there is a function sort here. So I can go for A to Z or Z to A accordingly. So we have seen how can we sort different columns through 3 ways. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.